Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 27th, 2021. Let's start with international news. Australia to send oxygen ventilators PPE kits to India. Australia will send oxygen ventilators and personal protective equipments to India as part of an immediate support package to the country which is battling with the latest surge of COVID 19 cases. US to export vaccine raw material. The US will immediately deploy supplies and other assistance to India, the White House said, following a call between the National Security Advisor of two countries, Ajit Doval, and Vivian. The US assistance will include making raw material for COVID 19 vaccine Covishield immediately accessible and pursuing options to generate oxygen on an urgent basis. Sharjah police use drone to identify wanted criminals. Sharjah police have introduced new high-tech drones that use face recognition technology to help police search for suspects believed to have committed a violent crime. The drone are the latest among a slew of initiatives adopted by Sharjah police for advanced form of facial recognition that make it easier to track wanted criminals. Pink supermoon on April 27th. According to NASA, the first supermoon of 2021 is to is said to be at peak illumination on April 27th, 11:32 a.m. and second supermoon will occur on May 26th, 7:14 p.m. While we are unsure about how visible the supermoon will be during daytime, NASA also stated that the moon will appear full for about 3 days around the time of both supermoons. Astrologer, let's see who coined the supermoon. Astrologer Richard Nolle coined the term supermoon in 1979 and is used to refer either a new or full moon that is closest to the earth or occur when the moon is within 90% of its perigee. These full moon are the biggest and brightest full moon for the year. The next supermoon is scheduled to appear a month later on May 26 and will be slightly closer to the earth than the one that will be visible tonight. The supermoon of May will be closer to by about 98 miles or 157 kilometers or about 0.04% of the distance from the earth to the moon at perigee. National news. Google CEO Sundar Pichai pledges assistance of rupees 135 crore to India. Amid an unprecedented surge in COVID 19 cases in India, Google will be providing funding of rupees 135 crore for medical supplies and to help communities in general, informed CEO Sundar Pichai. Poet Sangha Ghosh passes away at 89. Eminent poet and critic Sangha Ghosh passed away in Kolkata on Wednesday. The Jnanpith awardee was 89 and had tested positive for COVID 19 earlier in April. He was awarded the Jnanpith Award in 2016 and the Padma Bhushan in 2011. In the shadow of Rabindranath Tagore era, poet searches, Sangha Ghosh took the legacy forward. Considered an authority on Tagore, Ghosh was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1977 for his poetry collection Barbara Pratana. He taught at the number of educational institutes, including Vishwa Bharati University, Delhi University, and Jaipur University. He retired from Jaipur University in 1992. Web conference on COVID 19 SARS. Amid rising COVID 19 cases in India, Department of Biotechnology hosted the public webinar to share scientific information on genome sequencing of SARS CoV 19. Tamil Nadu news. Tamil Nadu allows Sterlite plant in Thoothukudi to reopen for 4 months to produce oxygen. The Tamil Nadu government allowed Vedanta Sterlite copper plant in Thoothukudi district to reopen for sole purpose of producing oxygen. Officials said the plant will be allowed to operate temporarily for only 4 months. Sports news. Archery World Cup India wins gold medal. Indian archer Adanu Das and Deepika Kumari progressed to the men's and women's individual recurve semi-finals respectively at the Archery World Cup 2021 Stage 1 in Guatemala City. Both archers are guaranteed a medal if they win their next match. Even if they lose, Adanu Das and Deepika Kumari, who are married to each other, will be in contention for the bronze medal. Australian swimming legend John Cordance dies at age 78. Australian swimming legend John Cordance has died in Brisbane at the age of 78. At the age of 15, Cordance set an incredible 6 world records in 8 days at the 1958 National Championship, and he went on to win 2 individual and 1 relay gold at the year British Empire and Commonwealth Games in Wales. His performance in 1958 thrust him onto the world stage, and when the 1960 Rome Olympics came around, he won the 1500-meter freestyle, leading home Murray Rose in an Australian finale. Matteo Berrettini wins Serbia Open title. Italy player Matteo Berrettini won his fourth career title on Sunday, defeating Aslan Karatsev, who stunned Novak Djokovic in the semi-finals in the Belgrade clay court final. Romanian tennis player Sorana Cristie wins Istanbul tournament. Romanian tennis player Sorana Cristie won the TEB PNB Paribas Tennis Championship in Istanbul. She defeated Belgian Elise Mertens to win her second career title after 13 years. The first one she won in Tuscan in 2008. Important days: World Intellectual Property Day, April 26. World Intellectual Property Day 2021 shines a light on the critical role of small and medium enterprises in the economy and how they can use intellectual property to build stronger and more competitive and resilient businesses. Theme and IP: taking your ideas to market. Expected questions: under which project is Australia planning to distribute oxygen, ventilators, and breath clothing to India? Answer: immediate support package. Question number 2. What is the name of the moon that appeared in the sky in the early morning on April 27th in UAE? Answer: pink supermoon. Question number 3. What is the longest distance from the Earth to moon called? Answer: apogee. Question number 4. What is the moon called when it comes at the shortest distance from the Earth? Answer: perigee. Question number 5. Under which topic Department of Biotechnology conducted a seminar on genetic sequencing on April 23, 2021? Answer: SARS-CoV-19. Question number 6. Which of the Sangha Ghosh book honored him Sahitya Academy Award? Answer: Barbara Prarthana. Question number 7. Which year Bengali poet Sangha Ghosh conferred with Padma Bhushan Award? Answer: 2011. Question number 8. Who won the gold in the first round of the World Cup archery competition? Answer: Indian player Deepika Kumari and Adanu Das. Question number 9. Who won the title at the Serbian Open tennis tournament? Answer: Italy player Matteo Berrettini. Question number 10. Where was the Istanbul Tennis Championship 2020-2021 held? Answer: Turkey. Question number 11. Who won the trophy at the Istanbul Tennis Championship 2021? Answer: Romanian tennis player Sorana Cristie. Question number 12. When was the World Intellectual Property Day observed? Answer: April 26. Question number 13. What was the theme of World Intellectual Property Day? Answer: theme IP and MSE, taking your ideas to market. For the regular current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.